Hello students, welcome to the English classes for classes 11th. I am Mrs. Sangeeta Saxena and today we'll be revising what we have done till now in the chapter Discovering Tut and also go forward with further 2 more paragraphs. So, till now, we got to know that this chapter is about the untimely death of an Egyptian king, namely Tut. He was the last heir of the pharaohs or the Egyptian dynasties that were ruling Egypt for centuries, and his death was very untimely. So, archaeologists have always been curious about the reason of his death. So what happens that in around 19 something, in about 1989 maybe, just a second, let me confirm that. The year was when there was in the 1900s, in 1922, yeah, in 1922, when Carter was a British archaeologist. He discovered Tut's tomb. So what happens when he first discovered Tut's tomb? Then he finds out that he was buried in a tomb where the walls had different kind of murals, and also that Tut was laden with too much gold. He had a lot of treasure with him. He had linen undergarments, and he had necklaces, bracelets, and also, I don't know, food, wine, corn, and all. He had everything because the pharaohs had a conception that we can take our wealth and the things that we can use in our afterlife. So this is how Tut was buried inside gold coffin. Also, Tut Tut was in the coffin in which they used ritual raisins. The ritual raisins had hardened, and Tut was stuck to the bottom of the coffin. So and the raisin was so hard that he could not be taken out even by using the sun. So they decided to chisel his body away, chisel the raisin away. Then what happens that Carter says that just for his defense, what he did, he cut Tut into several parts just to remove his body from the coffin, so that no one could come and loot the treasure that the pharaohs had. So what happens that Carter cuts his head first of all, and then he breaks all of his limbs. Then he places it in a wooden box in a sand bed, and there is where Tut is now has always been kept. So what happens next? After 40 years, Tut was going to be put inside a CT scanner. So what happens when they put him inside the CT scanner? They find out that his front ribs and chest bones were missing. So till now we did till the part. Now let's continue with the further 2 paragraphs. So today diagnostic imaging can be done with computed tomography or CT, by which hundreds of X-rays in cross section are put together like slices of bread to create a 3-dimensional virtual body. So now they're explaining that अब ये लोग कैसे कैसे मतलब डायग्नोसिस करते हैं चीज़ों का. देखो पहले तो ज़्यादा हमारे क्या, हम लोग ट्रेजर पे पहले आर्कोलॉजी ध्यान देती थी, लेकिन अब वो उसकी लाइफ की मिस्ट्री पे ज़्यादा ध्यान देती है. तो कहते हैं कि आपका जो डायग्नोसिस है वो CT स्कैन के थ्रू हो जाता है, जहाँ पे हंड्रेड्स ऑफ एक्सरेज जो होते हैं वो एक क्रॉस सेक्शन में रखे जाते हैं, और उससे एक 3-डायमेंशनल वर्चुअल बॉडी बनती है. दैट इज कि आप ना एक बॉडी के बहुत सारे एक्सरेज लो, ठीक है, फिर उन सबको साथ में कंपाइल करके एक वर्चुअल बॉडी का शेप बनाया जाता है, एक 3D शेप बनाया जाता है. इसको CT स्कैन या फिर कंप्यूटेड टोमोग्राफी कहते हैं. What more would a CT scan reveal of Tut than the X-ray? And could it answer 2 of the biggest questions still lingering about him? How did he die and how old was he at the time of his death? So ये कहते हैं कि क्या ये जो CT स्कैन था वो क्या एक्सरे से आगे और कुछ बता सकता था टट के बारे में, और क्या वो मोर ओवर ये बता सकता था कि उसकी डेथ कब हुई, कैसे हुई, वो कितने साल का था, क्या ये चीज़ें वो बता सकता है. King Tut's demise was a big event, even by royal standards. He was the last of his family's line, and his funeral was the death rattle of a dynasty. but the particulars of his passing away and its aftermath are unclear. तो ये कहते हैं कि जो टथ की डिमाइस थी, मतलब जो टथ की डेथ थी, डिमाइस का मतलब डेथ, वो एक बहुत ही बड़ा इवेंट था, इवन फॉर द रॉयल स्टैंडर्ड्स, इवन फॉर द रॉयल फैमिलीज, क्योंकि जो टथ था वो अपनी फैमिली लाइन का लास्ट आयर था, लास्ट एयर था वो अपनी फैमिली लाइन का, एंड हिज फ्यूनरल वाज द डेथ रैटल ऑफ अ डायनेस्टी, और उसके मरने की वजह से एक पूरी डायनेस्टी की मौत हो गई, पूरी डायनेस्टी मतलब पूरा एक साम्राज्य खत्म हो गया. बट द पर्टिकुलर्स ऑफ हिज पासिंग अवे एंड इट्स आफ्टरमैथ आर स्टिल अनक्लियर. तो ये कहते हैं लेकिन जो उसके पर्टिकुलर्स हैं उसकी डेथ वगैरह के, वो अभी भी क्लियर नहीं है. सो स्टूडेंट्स, दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे वी हैव रिवाइज्ड व्हाट वी डिड इन द लास्ट टाइम, एंड वी डिड further two small paragraphs as well. So in the next turn we'll be move forward with the next excerpt from the story. Thank you.